Good morning, guys. Make sure we're live. Let me check. Okay, guys, I don't have my camera on today because StreamYard was having problems yesterday with the camera. And it kept pausing the stream. So I'm just gonna leave the camera off. They said they got somebody working on it, but I'm gonna leave it off for now. Probably till Monday, unless they send me an email saying it's fixed, So you're not gonna see my beautiful face for this week. Sorry, ladies. But we're here to make money, so let's stick with that. You know what I'm saying? Stick with that. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let me go back to where I belong. Okay, I'm checking on NAS right now. Guys, I'm waiting for it to pull back up here. I'll probably take a sell right here if it goes up there. That's what I'm looking for right now. Now, guys, I'm taking this sell knowing that it could be coming here. Okay, it could go high. Nobody knows what it's going to do. If I knew what it was going to do, I'd be sailing around on my yacht now with my supermodels and I'm sitting here on YouTube. But I think it's going to come here and then fall. If it doesn't fall here, I think it's going to fall right here. So that's my plan, guys. How's everybody doing, man? All right? Don't forget to like the stream for me, guys, please. It helps me out. It's free. Doesn't cost anything. Yesterday, if you're in the Facebook group, I called out a oil trade. And I didn't get to take a trade yesterday in the morning because I was having the issues with the stream. And I'm like a caveman. I didn't know how to solve them. So I cancel the stream. And then I see the thing here. See, it says, I still got a notice here. Studio instability issues. The latest versions of some browsers, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, seem to have introduced a conflict that is causing studio instabilities when using virtual background, camera, touch-up, or appearance features. As a temporary workaround, we suggest turning off those features while we work on a fix. Our engineers are actively working to ensure support. So I could probably use the camera with no virtual background. I don't use appearance, what is it? Touch up my appearance features because I don't need it, obviously. But other than that, I'm just going to leave it off, man, because when the screen kept going black. It's just annoying, man. And, we don't need it, man. We'll live without it for now. It's not important. We're going to do what's important and catch these moves. At least catch one move every morning, man. That's what we aim for. My minimum, I always try. I like to get 20, 25 pips, 30 pips is the minimum. If you could get 25, 30 pips every day, man, you'd be surprised how your life will change. If you were guaranteed 25 pips every day, how would your life change, man? So that's the goal here, man. And sometimes we get 200 pips, It just depends. We take what they give us. So right now I'm waiting for it. As soon as it breaks through this red box, I'm going to take a sell, guys. That's my plan right now. Let me check the news situation here. Today is Tuesday. Right? No, that's wrong. Today's the 8th. So, Tuesday the 8th. No news today. The next red folder we have to be concerned about is tomorrow at 2 p.m. Okay, it didn't break through that box yet, guys. Check gold. If gold sweeps here, I'm going to buy it too, guys. All right. NAS did not break through that red box. That's my rule. I'm not going to take it unless it does. If it didn't punch through and it wants to, it's probably going to come back and do it. Got my tea, man. My tea is good today, man. Whew. Oh. The tea brand is Traditional Medicinals. Someone asked me yesterday, but I didn't notice it until after because I was so trying to figure out what was wrong with the stream. So put it here. I think I spelled it right. Anyway, that's the tea I drink, guys. In case someone asked me yesterday, that's the only reason I'm putting that. I don't have any affiliation. It's not a, it's just the tea I drink. Anyway, guys, I don't have anything for sale. So if you want to send me money, just going to have to send it. And rest assured that I will only spend it on beer. That's all I can tell you. That's my only promise. All right, it's coming down now, guys. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to take a buy on gold. I think it's going to push down. Let's see if it comes all the way to this red line. I'd rather take it there, but I just don't want to miss the entry. Okay, I'm going to enter. I'm in, guys, so got him right around here. All right, we're in profit. All right. If it goes up, it was a perfect entry. If it goes down, it was bad entry. What can I say, man? I think it might come for this red line. I'm not going to take another entry here because it's so close, man. That's why I took it here. I really wanted it here, but I figured it could just come here, so I'll take it here. I'm willing to suffer this whatever drawdown here. There's really nothing else. So if it's going to go up, it's going to go up here. It could go down. I don't know, but I'm betting it's going to go up now. We'll see. All right, guys, we're in a nice gold buy. We're right around the entry. I think we're going to go up. We're in profit, a little bit of profit, nothing to write home about, but we are in profit. Guys, we do this every day, man. Train my whole life for this, as my friend Phil used to say. I trained my whole life for this, man. Oh, so there goes the alarm. Let's see what it does now, guys. If it goes down, I'll have to find another spot to find an entry. Start looking. Okay, we're back in profit. We keep looking anyway. Now we're hanging right around the entry, man. You see we're stacking up wicks there. That was a great name for a channel. I don't know if the guy's still around, but the name of his channel was Wicks Don't Lie. And as you can see here, it's getting rejected every time. Bullish rejection every time, guys. Let me see how many pips this move is. About there. To about there. 86 pips. We'll call it 80 pips. Right? So I'm going to go 50, which is right around here. We'll call it right there. It's 53, right to the bottom of that little fair value gap. I'm going to take a little profit right there and move my stops into profit. Okay, guys, not to break even, into profit. And then I'm going to let it ride if it gets there. That's how we roll, guys. Beautiful morning out. Yesterday I went for a little swim. We got a nice pool here in the community. It was hot, man, but the pool was nice and cool. I don't like when they turn the heater on in the pool too much, man. A little bit's okay, man, but sometimes you want the pool to be cold a little bit, man. I like it that way anyway, man. It's not refreshing if you're going in there and the pool is hot. When I was up in New York, I grew up in New York, man, when you went to the beach up there in the summer, it could be 100 degrees out. That water was freezing, and it would take me an hour to get into the water, man. Go into up to my ankles, then up to my knees. So cold, the ocean. Down here, you walk right in. It's like a bath water. You can just walk right into the ocean, man. When I first got there, I was like amazed. Like, man, it's like got to be something wrong. The earth is like heating up or something. But yeah, big difference, man. The water's beautiful down here too at the beach, man. We're planning a little trip to the beach. Over the next couple of weeks, we're gonna go. The reason why I want my sons to all meet me there, so I got to get everybody on board. That's why it's planning. But wish my daughter could come too, but she's up in North Carolina, man. So anyway, I got 4 boys and 1 girl, and it goes fast, man. I remember when they were all little kids, man. We had so much fun. But it is what it is. It's pushing up, guys. Come on now. Nice push. Let's go. We got 9 minutes, 8.5 minutes to New York Open. Yeah, you should be up over 20 pips now. I'm showing, well, I'm right around 20 pips right now, 22 pips. It's got to push through that fair value gap. Come on, gold. Give me a nice push. All right, come on, gold. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Push right through that fair value gap. I'll tell you guys, if you struggle trading, man, it's more, believe it or not, man, okay? This is the way I feel about it. It's all in your mind, you know? When I started trading profitably, it was more that I had just decided that I wasn't gonna lose anymore, man. You know, it's weird. It's like a mind shift, man. It just something clicks, man. You know, something clicks, and all that stuff I learned, you know, all those different techniques and whatever, man. You know, Fibonacci, all this stuff. I don't believe Fibonacci works, man. I believe it's just coincidence. I believe that trading is like flipping a coin, man. It's 50-50. If you could get a little better than that, you're good. If you can, 50-50, every time you win, you make $1. Every time you lose 50 cents. That's really the secret to trading, in my opinion, man. But I don't even trade that way anymore either, man. I just use a small lot size and I just take trades and they always come back. Sometimes longer than other, but if I'm in drawdown on another trade, by the time it comes back to profit, I've already closed 20 other trades in profit. I have a lot of trades going at once, usually, and yeah, it's just my approach. It's just something I developed on my own just by trading, and I decided to try to trade without a stop loss because it was annoying that it always seems to come for the stop loss. They know what we're doing pretty much, they know what we've been taught. I don't know. I believe it's all manipulated. And, but you can take money out of here and they don't even notice we're here most of the time, but they just know that, wow, everyone's going to enter here and they're going to put their stop loss over here. So let's just shoot it down there quick and then we'll head up, That's the way I feel about it anyway. It's not like they're targeting me or anybody individually or anything like that. They just know what we're going to do. We're like sheep following all these crazy people telling us all this guru baloney. But people swear by fib, and I wouldn't argue about it. I mean, it's not worth arguing about. If it works for you, man, God bless you, man. I hope it works for you. There's no, I've got no jealousy in my body, man. Believe me. Just for me, it just seems corny, man. Some of these things. I mean, there's tools over there on the side. I've never seen anybody use them, let alone me. But that circle fib and all that, I don't even know what that is, man. It looks like a decoration or something. Well, like I said, man, no method is 100%. Nothing works all the time. Find what you feel most comfortable with. If you're comfortable using fib, then use it. And you'll see me throw things on the chart sometimes. I'm waiting for a trade or something. I throw all kinds of indicators. I got 7 now. I'm here. And like all these lines, I hardly even pay attention to these EMAs. The only one I look at sometimes is the 200 because I notice a lot of times it rejects right off the 200. It comes to the 200 and it serves as like a support and resistance, the 200. But I'm getting ready to take a little profit here, guys. Let me see what I'm up. Okay, I'm up 40, 45 pips. I'm going to take half. If it touches that purple line or gets real close, I'm going to take half. And then I'm going to put my stop loss for now in profit right there after I take profit. I didn't do it yet. Okay, it's right on the 200 now. Okay, guys, I'm taking half. Okay, I am out at half. Okay, that's like 25, 26 pips in the bank. And my stop loss is now 3321.24. 3321.24 is my stop loss. Now, I took half, guys. You don't have to take anything. You could take more. We're all grown-ups here, I hope. And we all have to manage our own money. And I don't tell anybody what to do. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Okay, guys? So that's a W on gold. Oh, excuse me. My morning allergies. Man, we caught that pretty perfect, right? This indicators that I do use. Oh man, my allergies in the morning are rough. The ones that I do use, I'm gonna go over them real quick now that I have. Is FluidTrades, right? SMC Lite. That's the one that puts these boxes. The supply, they're labeled supply and demand. You know, support and resistance, same thing. But I found this to be a handy little tool, man. I actually use it a lot. You know, it's it's on my chart always now. And you'll find that especially if you're near the daily high or the daily low, it's going to come and sweep these areas. Now, you could just use the daily high and daily low too, but you're going to miss a lot of trades in between. But sometimes I think, I should go back to just drawing these, because you can just draw them, and don't get me wrong, you just draw a little box. I would put it right from, I would just do the whole wick. I didn't even do the whole wick. I would just do the whole wick, you know. I used to draw them, and I found this tool. This tool does it perfect, though. So it's so handy, and it's it's accurate, man. You'll see the candles come to it all the time in reverse. So that's the one I use. And the fair value gap one I use is Nephew Sam. I don't know why I use that one. I mean, both of these are free. I use that one because that's the one I found, and I put it on and it works. I changed the colors, right? I made the only thing I changed was I made the bearish fair value gaps red and the bullish ones blue, going with my red, white, and blue theme, and that's it. And FluidTrades SMC Lite, they do have a paid version. Okay, I'm not an affiliate or anything. I never tried the paid version. This version, it does everything I need. I just need these boxes here to see where the highs and lows are. And that works perfect. So shout out to FluidTrades. Shout out to you, bro. It's a nice product. And I hope someone buys it off you. I'm not an affiliate, like I said, but I love it. So there it is, guys. We're in profit. We're just waiting to see if it goes all the way. So those are the two main things I use. Now you'll see me add things on here. Like maybe I'll see a YouTube video about some, whatever. Like I have all these EMAs. I just check them out. Like it's interesting when they cross. See how they cross here, and it went down. It just tells you when it's going down. Or when it's going up. When they cross. Basically, I mean that's all I would ever use it for. I don't know what else. Hey, do one of you guys journal? I don't know if anybody's here. I don't journal, man. I never did. I'm curious if it really helps anybody, man. Everybody, when I first started, all these gurus are like telling you got to journal and selling journals. I don't see the point, man, in going back and looking at trades, man. Okay, we're at a level there. I guess that's why I put that line there. I could see it was a level. We got to break through. When we break the high of this candle wick right here, then I'll feel like we're going to continue up. Well, you could close full, man, anytime you want, guys, too. You know, I'm going to hold, but that's just me, you know. 40, 50 pips is nice, man. You know, that was about 52 pips, 53 pips. Where I got out. I'm sure we have different entries, different brokers. Guys, you should be using Hanko Trade with me, man. When I open my signal group, it's going to be free for Hanko Trade guys that are trading under me. And that's coming. I'm just trying to decide if I'm going to use Discord or Telegram. I'm leaning towards Discord now, but I gotta see how hard it is to set up, man. I am a caveman, don't forget. And there is going to be a paid. It'll be affordable, real cheap. I don't know. I'm thinking like $39 or something a month. But for people who want trading under me, but you know, that's up to you. I don't care. You know, it's up to you guys. Eventually, I'll be doing live streams and that stuff too. If Discord, you know, I don't even know if you can do that. I mean, why not? I belong to Discord groups. I don't even know what the heck to do with them. I don't even know how to use it. To be honest with you, man. Discord was very confusing to me, man, especially when I first joined. But I'm starting to figure it out. I'm not in any paid signal groups or anything, you know, guys. I never paid for signals. The only thing I ever paid for was, you know, classes, like, you know. There was this guy Al that we used to trade. There was a bunch of us. We used to trade with him. And he was good. I liked Al, man. The only thing about him, he had like 100 different ways to trade, you know, 100 different things, trap can, all kinds of things, man. I can't remember them all. But he was such a nice guy, man. What a cool guy, man. Al, shout out to you, Al, man. Al from Texas, man. What a cool dude, man. And I can still hear his voice, man. He would say, "That's why, like, you see me take profit here." A couple of times I let it go up. It didn't go all the way. It came all the way back to stop me out, you know, without even, you know, in a loss. I remember him, I can still hear his voice calling me the donkey of the day, man. Crack me up, you know. He'd be like, "Damn, Bob, you the donkey of the day, man. You were up 35 pips, and now you're down 25 pips." Shout out to you, Al. We had some fun, man. That was great. Those were good times, man. Learning was good, man. But anyway, I ain't gonna let this stop me out in a loss, man. If it stops me out, I'm gonna get at least 3 or 4 or 5 more pips out of it. If we close above this candle here, I will move my stop loss up. We'll see if it leaves a fair value gap for us to protect us. Right now, there's really none. This is too close. If I was gonna move it up now, I'd put it right here. You know, below this wick, below these 2 wicks. But I'm not gonna do that now, obviously, because we're coming there now. Well, it looks like it wants to stop us out, guys. See what happens. Did that get me? I'm still on, man. Didn't get me. Let's see if it comes back down. It didn't get me, man. It's so close, but I'm still live here. Oh, maybe it'll push up now, man. Come on. All right, guys. We are risk-free anyway. Let's see what happens. Let me see what NAS is doing. Oops, that's H-bar. Oh, look at NAS falling, man. It never broke through that box. That's odd, man. That's all right. Probably going to go back up, that means. I would be a buyer here at the daily low. If it breaks through this box, triggers this alarm, I would be a buyer. I'm not buying here. It's too, let me see, US30. US30, same thing. It's got to come down to this daily low here for me to consider buying right now. Come on, gold. Get out of there, man. Hopefully it'll get out of there, man. Oh, man, my nose. Come on now, get out of there. Oh, man, it's going to stop us out. It's going to stop me out, man. Get out of there. That's it. It got me, man. Let me check. Yeah, it got me. All right, guys. Anyway, look at that, man. Now it's going to go up. What a bum. What do they say? Whatever happens now is none of my business, right? Once the trade's over, whatever happens is none of your business, man. But you can see that one came through. That one got me, man. See it? I don't know if you can see that. The other one was a little, it's like 1 pip short, man. Damn it. All right, guys. That's the way the old cookie crumbles, man. So that's about 30 pips. I got a couple of pips here, 3 or 4. I had like 26 or 27 on the close up here on the partial. So I'm going to call it 30 pips. I think that's fair. I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Anybody take that? Hey, Ty. Oh, man, I just got stopped out in profit, Ty. We took a gold buy. I took half at 50 pips, 52, 53 pips, and it came back down, stopped me out. But that's the way it goes, man. Sometimes it be like that, you know? Anyway, guys, that's it. I'm going to call it a day. I'm not going to take another trade right now. Hopefully, they're going to fix this issue with StreamYard. If you guys know any good streaming software, man. I like StreamYard because it's easy to use, but now they're having issues. I'm sure they'll fix it, though. Check in. Next week, I'll try the camera again on Monday and see if it works. But anyway, guys, cheers. I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. God bless you guys. Have a great day on purpose. And I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Keep winning, man. Cheers, guys.